we're gonna play this game called Arcade. You can check out your games. You can make your own games. And you can go to Hall of Games. Let's see if we can do a Tinybop. Made this one. Let's get pretty and you could also create your own. So we're just gonna go make a game. What kind of game would you like? Let's do that one. Now the character selection might be a little hard, but I always go for one. No, I actually don't know what to go for. Yeah, I don't really know what I go for, but I might go for an eye. Looks like it's a really good flower. But I'm gonna make this more challenging. I'm gonna do this dude. Now look, this guy can only fight, not fly. And I'm going to add the slowest thing ever. Look how slow that is. But it's maybe a little bit easy. Wait, what? No, there it is. By putting some magnets. I'm just walking around. Try to find quicksand. No, I didn't look it up. Oh, there we go. Now you're stuck. And try to go up. You get more you stuck. Try to do is try to go slowly and steady. See, that's impossible. It took a while. Well, I'm gonna put 6 lives. Let me just put 1, cause that'll be more fair, right? And I'm gonna delete some. All of them. And now it's more possible. And now if you put a gem. So now the only, but if I put that, the only way I can win. You get a high score. But this game might be more expert. And now, look what I can do. Boom. Now if it's the game's gonna be harder. If you guys want to play this, do you need to download it? Well, you're supposed to get all done to get a high score. You don't need to, but it's cool for a high score. But let me show you my strategy. How about I remove this to make it easier and more possible? So now, the goal is to collect score. Get link. Now I'm gonna put this in the link of the description. Bye. And yeah, I'm gonna do a walkthrough how to beat my game. That's right now. But you only have one heart. It's pretty easy though. Go here, and let me show you. The greatest game, you can do all of these. And only for $3. I mean, not advertising it. If you want to play my game, just click on the link. Okay. So let me post this on YouTube. Adios.